Oh yeah.
4/10 of a mile.
Nice. Get out of here.
Possibility of finding a new archer in the Red River Gorge is 0. What was that? When I get going, I'll be...
Whoa, hold up. Sorry.
Oh.
Sorry, Jim.
No, it's time. I'll stretch. Didn't help. It's a big old toss.
Stinks.
Don't eat that, man. Oh my God. Who just ate that?
Tastes like ass. He went down this way. I'm gonna try that. Woo wee! I wouldn't touch this if somebody, one of y'all can pay me $100.
What is it?
Some big, crazy looking caterpillar. Oh my gosh. He knows I'm here too, and he's fucking perked up and ready to fuck me up. Any way you decide to get up there, go. I'm done. I'm like thinking I want to climb up this. Oh yeah? What, straight that way where you're faced? I'm about to climb up this.
We definitely picked up 78 foot.
Yeah. Oh God, yeah.
And it's definitely another 78.
I'm gonna climb up this, I think. Sup, rhododendron? I got a GoPro on. Oh. God dang. What do you think it is up and around that? My heart is like, yeah. That looks sick. You can get up there from here.
No, it's showing in this ledge, but just right there.
I'm not a fucking rock climber. I don't want to get hurt. So what are you saying, bust or go up and around? 907.
I need to check on him.
Yeah.
Red! Are you making your way up this way? Take your time. If it's a bust, we'll be coming right back. Take your time!
Hey, little pillar. Oh, come on up. This ain't it, but you'll like this. It's a good little teaser.
Is it a legal pillar?
There's a pillar and a nice window in the shape of a letter A.
You're good. What? What is that?
Hey.
Ash feet.
Yeah, this you'll.
They definitely are.
Oh yeah, look nice.
I'm just like a cheater all the time now. I'm gonna use light every month.
No, that ain't cheating, dude. You're just helping your comp. Hey, you got another one? You got another one?
Right there, Art. You hold me. The cheeks make it up here. Oh shit, I got a shot. Let me see. Where was that light at? Where was that fucking thing that's it. Where we hung that light, oh, in Cobra Arch.
Yeah.
Chris, do you make it up here? I'm so proud of you, son.
He's close. Tell me where you're gonna hold it.